Welcome back to the Cobra Trading Channel, everyone, where we focus on people, passion, and platforms. I'm Alex Bustos, and today we're going to be answering the question, who is Cobra's clearing firm? Why do we use them? And what is it to begin with? Let's get started. Our clearing firm is Webbush Securities. The reason we work with them is they've been around since 1955. So it shows you that they're a reputable company. So what's the purpose of us working with Webbush? Well, what they handle is clearing all of your trades, your buys, your sells. They handle your tax statements that you get at the end of the year. So that way you can make sure you can write off your losses and hopefully not pay too much back in taxes, right? They handle the cash management services like the deposits, the withdrawals, the credits, everything that has to do with your account and how it's handled. They make sure it's cleared and done properly. And that's something that's very important for you because you want to make sure your money is taken care of and everything is done in the right way. So to wrap everything up, you just need to know that you're being taken care of by a reputable company who also partners with long-standing reputable companies like Webbush. Like I said, they've been around since 1955. So your money is going to be taken care of. If you have any other questions at all, feel free to go cobratrading.com because we're happy to answer any of questions that you may have. And don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified when future videos come through.